In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add close friends on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile and then just stop at these three lines at the top right corner. In that pop-up, search for close friends, and you will be taken to this page where you can check your close friends list. I got in my close friends just one person, that's actually my another Instagram profile, and right from here we can add another users to our close friends list. All we have to do is just check mark them just like that. And also we can uncheck mark some users from our close friends if we would like to do that. And once we've done with that, to save the changes, just hit add done. After that, we can get in our close friends list again. As you can see, the persons that I have just check marked are now at my close friends list. That's how you can easily add close friends on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.